At the kiosk, click the New Pass button. The From location will automatically populate to whatever the teacher chose when setting up the kiosk, likely the teacher's name. Click the drop down menu under Where do you want to send the student and choose the name of the destination in the drop down box. You can also start typing the name of the destination in the drop down box to find it a little bit faster. Once the destination is selected, you can leave the Reason for Pass box empty and then click Submit. A user authentication screen will appear. Click the blue button with the person icon on the right. Enter the first part of your email. In the drop down menu, choose at k12.friscoisd.org. Don't leave it as at friscoisd.org or it won't let you log in. Then enter your kiosk password, which is your student ID number. Once you've done this, click Submit. You'll see a screen that says your name, your pass is created, and is awaiting approval from your teacher's dashboard or this kiosk. Click the Start button. Your pass is now created, and you are free to go. When you return to the classroom, go to the kiosk and select End Pass. Follow the steps to log in, just as you did before. Once you've logged in, click the End Pass button. And that's it, you're done.